the wax, and I created the new lookalike audience, with the new scents. Drop 3 in there. And
you should do a different lookalike.
what do you mean?
That lookalike's identical to the other one. You don't want to have the exact same audience. You need to do a different one here.
You mean like the percentage, or just like different than a view content?
Yeah, because you're going to compete against yourself. You're going to raise your own costs, so you got to change your audience for sure.
What do you suggest? Which one should I change it to?
If view content's working well, I mean, you could try add to cart. I'm sure you have plenty of add to carts at this point. So.
Okay. So you think it's competing against itself and the other audience?
No, it is.
No doubt.
There's no doubt.
And I guess it doesn't
Without a doubt, it's going to be competing.
And I guess Facebook doesn't really know that people can order the wax more than one time, correct? It's kind of based off of if they've
What does that
seen it.
mean?
So we're not selling a product you buy one time, right?
Okay.
So that's why my thought process was, if they see it again, it's okay, because if they bought these nuts, now they might want morning wood. But I guess
okay, you'll still pay a premium for doing that, and that's what the retargeting's for.
Okay, gotcha.
So like you create a purchase retargeting and use it for that.
Okay, gotcha. All right, makes sense. And then so the cost per purchase is $9. Again, it's raised a little bit. That might be because of the whole just competing thing, like you just mentioned. So I'll change that up. All right, so not much more with that. And then the other one is Bada Beans, actually getting better and better. So last week it was $24 purchased. The week before it was like 40 to 50. So came down, and then this week $22 a purchase so far. Not bad. I launched lookalikes. I don't know if I did these right, to be honest with you. I did add to cart, 180, and then view content.
Can you repeat that?
I did the lookalike audiences. I did the add to cart, purchase, and then the view content. I don't know if I set these up correctly.
Yeah, those look fine.
Okay. And I didn't know if they had enough data yet, but I know you said to launch them.
Hover over purchase in the result column.
Click it.
No, hover over the purchase right below it. The little dash. Nope, one above it. Hover over the dash. There you go. So you've had 2 add to carts out of $31 spent. This is, I mean, likely this isn't going to really turn out. It probably still doesn't have enough data.
Okay. So leave it going or shut it off?
No, definitely go to the ad set level again. And which audience sizes are these? Oh, 180 day. Yeah, definitely shut it off. It clearly doesn't have anywhere near the amount of data it needs.
Gotcha. And shut off the purchase too?
Yeah, I just cut this campaign. It's just not going anywhere.
Gotcha. Okay. And inside this, the Starbucks, New Jersey seems to be doing the best. $16 a purchase. So should I raise that budget, keep it the same?
That's a good question. No, definitely leave it the same.
Gotcha. Okay. And then, yeah, I'm just cutting the ones that aren't working, obviously. But I think we found...
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more data here. How many, out of the 19 purchases, which ones did they come from? Nice. You should definitely start optimizing here. Like turn off that bottom one. Let's see. Go ahead and do last 7 or last. Yeah, there you go. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, turn that one off and then go to the next audience and go through and turn off some of these that aren't really performing too well.
Okay, gotcha.
Perfect. Like that bottom one could be turned off. The one that's active at 34. Yeah, that one could be turned off.
Okay. And just keep going through all these and just...
Yeah, that will really lower your cost per purchase for sure.
Gotcha. Okay. And so pretty much just stick to what we're doing. Don't go crazy in terms of raising budgets. Keep it at what it's doing because it's doing fine, and just let it get more data, correct?
That's right. These are gonna, these are definitely on the right path. Just cut some of those ads and that'll lower costs, and then just maintain your spend, and that should optimize over time and get the cost down. Eventually you'll be able to exit learning here pretty soon.
Okay, cool. And I picked up a hot sauce company, so I'm going to be doing their ads. And they have,
Nice.
you ever hear of the show Hot Ones on YouTube?
Yes.
So all of their sauces were on that. So he's got all the content with Gordon Ramsay, Wiz Khalifa. So
You're gonna have an endless amount of opportunities with audiences for that brand.
yeah, and I mean he's got what he claims to be the hottest hot sauce in the world. So
Nice.
it's, so I'll have those ready for Wednesday, and then we'll launch those. And also I'm restarting the ads for a custom computer client tonight, so we'll look at those Wednesday as well.
Perfect. That's
All
great.
right,
Nice
all right.
results here. Congrats on the Facebook rep.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. I don't know how I got it, but I'm happy. So,
Sweet. Alrighty. Thanks, Michael. Bye.
all right, see you.